Today I'm going to show you how to replace the speakers of this Lenovo V15 G2 ITL notebook, which is this new computer from Lenovo, in case the speakers are broken, have vibration problems, or one of them has problems. I will show you how to remove them and to replace them. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. At this point, I've already removed the screws and unhook all the tabs, but if you have any difficulty doing this, watch the video on the channel where I show you how to open this computer and unclip all the tabs without damaging anything. It's not difficult, but you have to be careful when opening it. Since I've already done that, now I just have to remove the cover. I take the cover off and I reveal the inside of the computer. The speakers are located here, the right speaker and the left speaker, which are these two modules here. And to disassemble, you don't need screws. Therefore, the module is held only by rubber fittings, where this plastic fits with a rubber because of the sound vibration, in order not to make the computer vibrate and affect the sound. So, just start by disconnecting the connector on the motherboard, which is here on this side with this connector. Let's disconnect. We remove the wire that is passing and we pull the wire carefully and disconnect the connector from the motherboard. Now we are going to remove the module. We pull it slightly upwards to disengage the rubber, and now the second rubber fitting, and it's already removed. The module is fitted into these two plastic inserts in the structure of the computer and secured by two rubbers, which is still connected by a wire, which connects to the other module. The wire is still attached by a sticky tape. Just peel it off. We peel this one off, and it's still also glued here. The wire passes through these plastic points. We remove them one by one, carefully, because the wire is very thin. We continue to pull the wire all the way around. Now, on the second sound module, we do the same. We pull the module on one side, and now on the other side, and the second module is also removed. The entire sound system is removed, so we remove the sound system, the audio speakers, and that's all you need to do, because there are no screws, it's not soldered, it's not glued, and I like Lenovo for making the computers this way. With this computer design, which makes it easy to repair the equipment, so when the speakers one day break down, is damaged or gets water, you can now buy a new speaker module, remove the old ones and repair the computer, doing just this. Replacing laptop speakers as easy as that. Then, when you buy the new speakers, they should be similar to the original ones. And all you have to do is install and connect to the motherboard to do the repair. So now I bought two new sound speakers here. We can see that the two modules of the system are different. One is in line and the other is in L. So they only have one position to fit. On one side one and on the other side the other. We fit the speakers in these 2 points. We put it on top and then just push it on the rubbers to fit it. Then the rubber fits both. As you can see, it's very simple to do. The module may wobble a little, but that's how it is. It's not secured with screws, and we are going to pass the wire, passing through these plastic grooves, suitable for passing the wire. Let's pass all the wire, and hold it with the tape where it is, so that the wire is secured and will not interfere when closing the cover. Now the second module, we also glue this tape, and now we are going to fit the module. Let's fit at this point and this point, which corresponds to the two rubbers of the module. We fit the first hole to align the module, it rotates in that fitting point. Then just put it in the second point, and when it's aligned, you just have to push it down and it's fitted. We pass the wire better, it's well passed. This way, the wire does not interfere with the cover, which is why you should pass the wire properly, and with the tape. And finally, we have to connect the power supply connection that will feed the sound of the system. We line it up like this and push it in carefully. It's connected to the motherboard. I will pass the wire better here, and so the new sound system is installed on this computer with the 2 sound speakers that play the audio. It's easy like this. As you can see, it's simple. Lenovo is doing a good job to allow users to repair their computers or do upgrades. I hope you enjoyed this video to learn how to replace your laptop's sound system, because it's always better to repair your computer than to buy a new one and create more electronic waste. And check out my other videos on the channel about repairing this computer. And now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. If this video helped you, hit the like button, and if you have any questions about this laptop or speakers on laptops, write in the comments.